Hey babes, welcome back to my channel and thanks so much for watching. Today I am doing a requested video by you guys. A what's in my bag of my, Speedy, I'm just gonna say Bandoulière 30 because I have tried to say it correctly. A few of my French followers have sent me like voice recordings or videos of how to say it, and Spanish is my thing. French, it's pathetic. Like it almost is, it's pathetic how bad I botch it. So, Speedy Bandoulière 30, there we go. So now that I've had this bag for about 2-3 weeks, I just kind of wanted to share what's in it, some updates, you know, some thoughts that I have after having it for a while. So that's what I'll be doing today. Go ahead and go below and click the subscribe button if you are new here. I'd love to have you join the fam. I put up 3 videos a week in like lifestyle, beauty, fashion, and I'd love to have you join. I have an Amazon video coming this week that you guys are going to love. So hit the thumbs up if you're an Amazon fan and you are excited for that. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm standing up, so I don't know how this is gonna go because I don't want to stretch out my jeans. If I sit down, they are super high rise, so they will stretch out. So I'm standing for this video. But basically about 2-3 weeks ago, I bought this bag and I actually did a full unboxing video. So if you have not seen that, go check it out. You guys actually were so great, like filled me in on a lot of stuff. Like for instance, I guess like I just would call it a product code, the interior designer and me, like that's what we refer to it as. The product code on like the inside, you guys told me like what that meant. You told me I was mispronouncing the bag name and a bunch of different things. And one thing you guys told me was to get Apple Guard to spray it on the bag. So I texted my aunt who collects Louis Vuitton, and basically she was just like, don't baby the bag, but do what you're comfortable with. But I believe she said she has never sprayed Apple Guard on any of her stuff. So I kind of went back and forth about it, and then some of my favorite YouTubers, I started like going deep into their designer videos and found out that almost all of them spray just the lighter leather parts of their Louis Vuittons with the Apple Guard. So that's what I did. I did not spray the full bag, just the vachetta leather, I think is how you say that. So I decided to only spray this part of it, and I just kind of like basically put a little paper towel on other parts and then just sprayed it, and it has poured all week long. I have carried this bag every day and I have not had any issues with watermarks or anything like that. Now of course it does not protect the bag from getting that patina look over time, but you know, it's definitely protects it from the rain. So I did decide to do that, which is a big update. Another update since the unboxing is the inside of my bag. I originally carried a large insert. I had like the large bag insert in here because it said that that is what it recommended for a like full Speedy 30, and I ended up not loving that at all. It was too big, it felt, for the bag. Like you can kind of see this, like it's still kind of slouchy here. I feel like I'm able to get into the bag a lot more, so I actually just took that large bag insert. I had it in the exact same color as this one, and I just put it in my work bag. So that's really the only 2 differences I think I have in this bag. I did take the lock off the side because you guys told me that that will rub some of the leather off, so I definitely have some learning to do about like luxury goods. But I want to go ahead and share just like what's in here. So let's get started. Just put this actually around me because I actually carry like this a lot, and that way I can still stand. So first in the bag, I have my Tory Burch wallet. This is the Fleming print. I actually was carrying the Tory Burch Fleming bag before I got my Louis Vuitton, and I love this print. I got this wallet on major sale. I don't believe it's on sale anymore, but I'll still link, you know, it below for you guys, and even like maybe a similar option. It does have a zipper pouch in the back, and then it has a lot of places for your cards on the inside. Let me go ahead and just take my cards out so I can show it to you. Okay, so that's my insurance card, so I'll just cover that up. But it has like places for your cards here, places for your cards here. This is where I keep cash, and then my receipts stay there. So it has a lot of storage in it. I do keep my more used cards on this part of the wallet just because this I think is a little bit easier to get into than this part, but that's just personal preference. And I do keep this down in the side of my bag organizer. I originally had my wallet in the center zipper pouch of the liner, and I just didn't love that. So now I do just keep it like stuffed down in the side of my bag. Okay, so wallet. The first thing. I'll go ahead and actually pull out the center insert with this. So this is the little center insert you hear me talking about. I kept my wallet in this part before, and now I keep lady products in there. Now this does stay pretty thin. I use just like the Flex, this might be TMI, I am so sorry. I use the Flex like disposable menstrual cups, and so I just noticed that they don't take up as much room as like a tampon does in my bag, but I mean, that's just me. And then it does have a pocket on this side, but I don't have anything in there. And then here I keep my AirPods in this center pocket, and that's because this is like the centermost part of the bag. So whenever I reach in, like whenever I'm going to work out, whenever I'm at work and want to listen to like, you know, music or something, those are just like the thing I see the most. And this side I have my favorite lip gloss, which is my Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. Love it, have it on today. And then also the Equilibria Energizing Roller. Over here, my favorite lip color, the Kylie Cosmetics Candy K. It's actually what I'm wearing under the lip gloss. And then I also have been loving the NARS. This color is Somebody to Love. It is a little bit darker than the Candy K, so I haven't really worn it that much. I feel like this is really going to be my good fall color. But this is the NARS, I think it's just like a regular lip pigment is what it's called, or Power Matte Lip Pigment, I think is what it's called. So that's what I keep in the little center pouch right down in the center of my bag, because these are the things that I reach for the most. I feel so like funny and serious with my bag like wrapped around me like this. Then I also have my keys. Nothing crazy there. Business cards stay in this little pouch. I got it from Amazon. Not gonna show it to you because it does have my like actual business cards in there. I do keep my regular headphones around just in case my AirPods ever die on me and I don't have access to a charger. So I usually try to keep these like close to my AirPods, but they happen to be in the middle of my bag, so I'll go ahead and put them there. And then all I have in the center left is my knife, because you know, you just, I mean, you know, why does anyone carry a knife? My dad gave that to me before I went to college, and he was like, carry this with you everywhere. Well, Dad, I do, and I graduated college 3 years ago. So now I'll actually just go ahead and take this little thing out so you guys can see. Like, it helps my bag so much with its shape. So this is what it looks like fully like out of the bag. And then you can see the Velcro on either side that holds this in place. So we'll start with these three here. This little compartment, I have extra lip liners because it never fails. I go through the liquid lipstick for Kylie Cosmetics before I finish the lip liner. So I actually have a bunch of extra lip liners, and I love the lip liner. Like, if I actually had to pick one, I would say the lip liner is my favorite over the lip color. That's just me. I do keep NYX Liquid Suede. I'm all about the lip colors in case you guys don't notice. This was actually the color I wore on my wedding day. So it's still a very similar color to Candy K, but it's a little bit darker. But I honestly will just like wear this sometimes as like a touch up after lunch. If I just like want to put on another lip color, but I don't need it to last, you know, for a super long time. If I just reach for it, whatever. And then I also have my Kopari Lip Glossy. This is just clear lip gloss. Good Lord, I don't think I realized how many lip products I have. Fun fact, one of my first videos that got over 1,000 views, like within a week, was my What's in My Bag video, and I was so sassy, and I'm pretty sure it's still on YouTube. I'll link it below for you guys. It's obnoxiously sassy, so we've come full circle since then. And then I have pins, actually, just in here. These are my favorite pins. I love these pins. Fun fact. Do you guys have a favorite kind of pin? It's the Uniball Vision Elite. I actually prefer the blue, but all we had in stock at the time when I needed more was black. So I use these at work. I have like 5 at work, 5 here. Sam has some. My all-time favorite pen. Then on this side, this is more my like random things. So I have ibuprofen in one pocket because I've been getting a lot of headaches lately. Refresh contact drops. Took me a long time to realize you can't just use hydrating drops with, like regular hydrating drops with your contacts. Ruined a few pairs of contacts doing that. And then a Burt's Bees Beeswax lip balm. Favorite lip balm. I have a lot of lip products. And then I also have nail file, a broken comb. This is a must-have. You must have a broken comb in your bag. And then finally, just a little nail clippers because I have like forever low iron. It's just something we struggle with as redheads. Shout out to the redheads who deal with that. You know what I'm talking about. And so I always have really bad hangnails, and it's actually gotten a lot better the last few years. But I do still get the occasional hangnail, so I like to keep that. And then I also, down in the side of my bag, I keep these Lysol wipes. These actually have dried out because I have not been using them as much since COVID, because my mother and I are big germaphobes and were before COVID, and we would use these all the time. But now, like, anywhere that I used to use these, A, I don't touch hand railings anymore, or B, we really used to use these with like our buggies, but there is always someone standing there who like is taking your buggy back after you're done with it and spraying it down with some kind of like sanitation product. So I mean, I know the buggies are clean, and so I really don't use these as much, but I do use these. These are the spray away glass cleaner wipes. I actually use these for try on hauls when I go to stores, which I haven't done in a while because of COVID. I used to notice that like mirrors would be a little bit dirty, and so I just started carrying these with me so that I could wipe down the store mirrors, and that's pretty high maintenance, I know, but you gotta do what you gotta do. And then that is it for the bag. I'll show it to you completely empty. So this is what it looks like empty, and it is still pretty well shaped just because I have had a bag shaper in it the entire time, but you can see it does get very slouchy. So if you are in the market for a Speedy, you know, of any kind, I recommend getting the little bag shaper because it helps stay organized, but also it keeps your bag from doing what it just, from being this floppy, you know what I mean? All right guys, and that is it for today's video. I hope that you liked it. I just kind of wanted to give you a quick little update on my bag. I do still love it. It is such a good purchase. I was felt a little guilty sharing that, and I was honest about that in that video, but so many of you guys were like, no ma'am, do not apologize, like it's fine to treat yourself and you worked hard. So thank you guys for that. So I love it. Hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget also to go below and click the subscribe button if you're new here. I'd love to have you join the fam. I love you guys so freaking much. Stay safe, stay sane, and I'll see you in my next video. Man, I have got that outro down